What's up, strange people of YouTube? So today, it's a nice day, finally. It's 70 degrees, and it's been icy and snowy for a few days, and that's been sucky. Sorry, don't know what to do with my hands. Anyway, people up north think it's nothing. It was just a couple inches of snow and ice, but it ruined everything. Everybody closed around here. So it's finally nice. Finally a good day, and I want to talk about a few things for 2018. This year's goal for me, YouTube-wise, there's a lot of cars going by. Sorry for the noise. There's interstate right there. But, yeah, anyway, so for 2018, I'd like to see 10,000 subscribers by June 29th, which is my birthday. I'll be 29. If that happens, I'll buy a turbo like I've been joking about for this truck. That would be pretty neat. Everybody likes turbos, right? But anyway, the main point of this video is this truck won't do a burnout, which I'll show you here in a second. But I've got one simple trick that takes 5 seconds and it'll make it do a burnout like a race car. So now I'm going to demonstrate how it doesn't do a burnout. So as you can see, it just doesn't do it. But I got something that will make it awesome. Alright, so hopefully this video was a lot cooler than the last videos on this truck, like the install on the lights and stuff. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like. If you want to see other dumb experiments or whatever, hit subscribe. If you've got something stupid to say, comment. But I think this turned out overall pretty good. Laid down some pretty good rubber. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes pretty far. Of course, the tires are expensive, so I didn't want to do it that much. And if you're wondering what the secret, what the key to this puzzle was to make it do a burnout like a race car, here it is. Vice grips. Clamp off the rear brake line, the rubber hose part. Probably not the best idea, but works like a champ. So I'll see you next time. Peace out. Somebody was honking at me. I don't know why. I guess they saw me. There's an interstate right next to the road.